The setup of this activity is to find out the time period of a simple pendulum. A simple pendulum is made up of a heavy object suspended from a rigid support with the help of a thread. And this ball like structure is known as the pendulum. This is also called bob, and the kind of motion shown by this bob is oscillatory motion. We are going to find the time period of a pendulum by a very simple activity. The distance between this bob, point of this bob, and to the rigid structure attached here is 40 centimeter. I am going to oscillate this bob 20 times, 20 oscillations. Once it goes there, to and fro, to and fro. A pendulum is said to complete one oscillation when there is to and fro. It means this is one oscillation, 2, 3, 4. Likewise, one to and fro motion of a pendulum is known as one oscillation. So what I am going to do is I am going to measure 20 oscillations and check how much time it requires for 20 oscillations. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stop. So it has taken 10, 20, 22 seconds for 20 oscillations. 10, 22 seconds exactly. Now we are going to find the time period of a simple pendulum with the help of a calculation which I am going to calculate and present it to you.